Today I am going to speak a few words about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was the founder of the great Maratha Empire. He was born on 19 February 1630 and Shivneri Fort in Pune. His father name was Shahaji Bhosle and mother name was Jijabai. A battle technique of Shivaji Maharaj was called as Ganimi Kawa. He died on 3rd April 1680 and Rajgarh Fort. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji, Jai Bhavani.